Are you tired of waiting for your paycheck to hit your bank account? There's nothing worse than payday coming and going, and you're still waiting on those funds to clear. If you're a Regions Bank customer, there's a simple, fast solution that gets your money to you sooner: direct deposit. Seriously, setting it up is one of the easiest ways to streamline your finances, and it's a huge time saver. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the 3 essential things you need to know and do to set up direct deposit right now with your Regions Bank account. Let's get started. The 3 keys to direct deposit. First, you need to understand that setting up direct deposit is usually a conversation you have with your employer or the organization paying you, not the bank itself. Regions Bank just provides the secure landing spot for your money. To get started, you'll need 3 pieces of information, and you can find all of them either online or on one of your checks. Key number 1, your Regions account number. This is a unique number that identifies your specific checking or savings account. If you look at the bottom of a physical check, it's the second set of numbers, usually about 10 to 13 digits long. If you don't have a check, you can always find this number by logging into your Regions online banking and viewing your account details. Key number 2, the Regions routing number. This is a 9-digit number that identifies the bank itself. The routing number ensures your money goes to the correct institution. For Regions Bank, this is generally consistent across most accounts, but the safest way to find the correct one is to check the bottom left-hand corner of your check. It's the first set of 9 digits. Again, your online banking portal will also have this information readily available for you. Make sure you use the one specific to your account type and region, if necessary. Key number 3, the direct deposit authorization form. This is the crucial step you take with your employer. Once you have your account and routing numbers, your employer will give you a form to fill out. This is where you write in those numbers, specify the account, checking or savings, and sign to authorize them to deposit your pay directly. Some employers let you do this online through a company payroll portal, which makes it even faster. Just complete the form, attach a voided check if they ask for one, and submit it. What happens next? After you submit the form, there's usually a short processing period, sometimes 1 or 2 pay cycles, while your employer's payroll department verifies the information. They might give you a paper check one last time before the direct deposit kicks in. The main takeaway here is, get those numbers right. A single incorrect digit can cause a delay. Double-check your account and routing numbers before you submit that form. Direct deposit is one of the most convenient services your bank offers, and for Regions customers, it's super simple to activate. Get your account number, get your routing number, and give that information to your payroll department. You'll be enjoying earlier, more reliable access to your money in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.